Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you the ways you can do to be able to add mega menus on Elementor on WordPress. So if you go to your WordPress dashboard here, and if you go here from the menu on the left to the appearance, and then go to menus, and here you can edit your menus. I don't have any, so let's create a menu. So test menu, okay, create menu. And here you have your menu settings. So mega menus simply means that you can have menus like under menus, so like a menu compound, sort of say. And to do so, you need to have a couple of things ready. Now, obviously, first you need Elementor, which you've installed here. If you don't have it, simply go to plugins, click on add new plugin, and then search for Elementor. Hit enter. And this is the one you need, Elementor Website Builder. It says active right here because I already installed it. But if you don't have it, it will show install now. Click on install now. And then go ahead and activate it once you've installed it. Now, once you have Elementor installed, the next plugin we'll need is the Royal Elementor add-ons and templates. Click on install now. And once it's installed, simply click on activate to activate it. And like alternatively, this like specific plugin, you can install it from their webpage, the Elementor widgets here, royal-elementor.addons/addons.com. You can see that they have a large variety of Elementor templates kits, dynamic website builder, and so much more. So you can take a tour to see if you like anything or any templates or any kits that you like here for Elementor, and you can download the plugin and then go ahead here. Once you've downloaded, I already installed it from the plugins that are already on WordPress, so no need to do so. I'm just showing you if you downloaded it from the website, you would want to go here to upload plugin and then choose file. I already downloaded it. It's named Royal something. Okay, here it is. Select it, open it, and then click on install now, and the plugin should be installed. Now, once you have these two plugins, the Elementor and the Royal Elements plugin added, now let's add the menu. Now, if you don't have, if you didn't install the Royal Elements here, and if you go to pages, let's create a new page here. And let's edit with Elementor because we want to use the Elementor editor. You can, of course, edit your existing pages on your website. However, I'm just creating a new page. And here it loads up the page in the Elementor editor. And now it's loaded up. Now, let me show you if you didn't install the Royal add-ons here, and if you want to add mega menus from within Elementor, you'll search from Elementor widgets here for menu. And here you'll see that the menu, scroll down, and you should see, or you will see if you don't have the Royal Elements installed, that the menu is locked and it's only for the paid Elementor Pro subscription. So you wouldn't be able to add it unless you're subscribed, of course, to the Elementor Pro. However, if you are on the free version of Elementor, as I am, and here you have the mega menu, which has the R symbol on it because it's a part of the Royal Element suite. So click on mega menu or just drag and drop it here. And here you have your settings for this widget, the mega menu. Now select the menu that you want, test menu. Now the menu layout, you can have it horizontal or vertical, which is for the Pro. Let's add it horizontal. Now we can add here menu items. So here you can view the menu items here. And if you click on widget preview here, it'll open up the page of the developer with the mega menu builder, and it'll open up, or it'll show you a video tutorial that you can use here, and show you some screenshots on how it looks like. So let's close this page and this one also. And here you can select the menu. Here we added test menu before. And here it says that you need to navigate to appearance and menus, just like we did at the beginning of the video, to manage your mega menus. Now here you can align it to the left or right or at the center. Let's choose center. And now the menu items. You can hover effect. Once you hover over the menu, you can change it to underline, overline, double line. Let's say double line. The hover animation is fade and the transition duration is 0.2 seconds. Now the sub-menu item, you can add a triangle, angle, so chevron, let's make chevron. The sub-menu display on mouse over, okay. And the sub-menu entrance is fade. Now you have the mobile menu, so you can do edit how it looks like on a mobile device. And then here you have request features and the pro features for the pro plan on the Royal Elements here. So you can get the pro version from here, which will offer you more functionality. Here you can edit the style of the menu here, how it looks normally and how it looks once you hover over it. So normally the text color is like gray. Once you hover over it, it's now like purple, and the pointer color as well as the custom icon color and the typography. The highlight menu items, say yes or no. Custom icon size, you can increase the icon size here. Custom icon distance, you can increase the distance. And you can play here with other parameters as well. Now here you have the menu item badge. You can edit, of course, the menu items here, typography, like font and so on. The sub mega menu, you can also edit the appearance of the sub mega menu as well. You can also add the appearance of the sub mega menu. So you get the point. You have all kinds of settings here to customize the looks. The WordPress sub menu, you have also the option to edit the appearance of that as well. The toggle button, as well as the mobile menu items. Now here you have your advanced settings. So you have your layout here, the margin, the padding, width, and align self, and all your other advanced settings here. So you need to go, in order to edit or add the menu items, edit the appearance, or add, like, select your menus, you need to go to appearance menus, in the menus option in the appearance of themes, in order to add additional menu items that will show up in your mega menus here. So basically, to sum it up, you need, of course, to have your menu setup, your menu hierarchy setup in the menus section of your theme, like menu here or settings, and have your menu setup or your menu hierarchy setup. And once you've done so, go ahead and if you have Elementor Pro, you can find the Mega Menus option built into Elementor. However, if you want a free alternative, just install the Royal Elements plugin here, either from the plugin store on WordPress or from their website as well. And then you will have the option to add the plugin of the Mega Menus of the Royal Elements, as I did here, and edit all the settings, the appearance, and the content of your Mega Menus on Elementor. So that was basically it. That's how you can add Mega Menus and edit their settings, appearance, and style on Elementor on WordPress.